This is pretty much the home screen of the application. There's a lot of templates which you can use to generate your videos. These are just some photos. As you can see here, you can turn these into videos. So you have the trending one, you have the popular template which you can use. As you can see here, not a lot, but you can pretty much choose any one of these. Let's say you want to create a video of this image here. You can tap on the use template option and it will carry to the video creation section. Here at the top, you'll be able to select the model that you want to use. You have this option here, you have OpenAI, you have Google as well, and also down here be also see the prompt. So let's say you want to clear the prompt. You can tap on the clear prompt option, be able to clear the prompt as well. You can add your photo or image as reference, but you don't need that. For this here, it stands here is optional. So down here at the advanced section, here be able to select your aspect ratio as you can see here, and as well the resolution of the video. So once you have selected everything, you'll be able to create your video. Do keep in mind you will need to watch an ad before the video generation started. So that's pretty much it on how to use this application here. Nothing much, you don't have any other features which you can use. And here you do have the history section. This is pretty much every video that you have generated will go, and you have up to 7 days, as you can see at the top, before the videos will completely be removed. So that's pretty much it for that there. And at the top here, this is pretty much where you go to get your subscription. As you can see here, upgrade to Pro. So once you do tap on this option, you can see how much credits you'll be getting per month and the features which will be unlocked as well. So here you have a monthly subscription, you have the monthly Pro subscription here, and it pretty much shows you a weekly subscription here, be getting 10,000 credits and 40,000 credits. Or you can tap on this over here which it says weekly, you'll be able to see the weekly subscription as well. So that's really pretty much it for this application. Very simple AI application for generating videos by using ads. So very easy, and if I miss anything at all, just let me know in the comment section and I'll see if I can help you out.